treating you well? Okay. To answer your question, I'm always very happy to visit any school or any educational institution simply because it gives me back a certain innocence that we seem to forget when we become professionals. We come out of school, you enjoy yourself so much in school. Trust me, these are the best years of your life that you will ever have. You're dying to get into the outside world, take off your uniform and wear fancy clothes like this. Yes, but you will always want to be back as innocent school children. That's why I love coming to schools. It brings me back with an innocence, and I thank you very much for inviting me. Principal Sir, so you want to ask me? Mr. Kaur about you so much, especially from Gurpreet, a dear friend of mine.
We welcome you with a moment of love.
I've heard so much of your dear principal from Gurpreet and Ananya and Gananya, who are ex-students over here, I believe. Yeah, I feel like I'm an ex-student. Everyone here, big hand, lots of love. You know, there's another reason, Principal Sahab, people call me to schools. They invite me very often to school. The reason is that people think that because I did 2-3 roles as a principal, I'm a highly educated man. It's not true at all.
So you will tell me how good or bad were you like here?
Yes, it doesn't matter how good or bad you are in school as long as you're doing your best. As long as you do your musti, but do your musti with respect to your elders. Do not disrespect your elders, but do as much musti as you want. It is absolutely fine. And get punished also. No problem. It is not a shame to get punished. Get punished. Not a problem. And most importantly, I was an average student. And you asked me what else?
And of course, I want to know that average students come up to become great presenters, great actors like you.
Well,
tell us about your journey in a little gist so that they all get inspired by you.
Hello everyone. Hi. Thank you for waving out. Hi. So sweet. People are waving out. I don't know if you can hear what I'm saying. You can hear me?
Can you hear it?
I can't hear you. Okay. As a very short journey, as far as I'm concerned, I was not a great student. I had a few learning disabilities. Amir Khan ke picture Tari Zameen Par mein we learned what learning disabilities are about. Dyslexia, dyscalculia, attention deficiency. So I had those problems. लेकिन हमारे ज़माने में इतने technical terms नहीं थे learning disability के. हमको सीधे डफर ही बोलते थे. और मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता था उस ज़माने में. लेकिन मैं आज सोचता हूँ कि it is not a crime not to be the smartest kid in class. It is not a crime. It's not a bad thing. Parents, this is for you. Do not force your children and make them study in a way that they go crazy because you like other people to say that your kids got 90-95%. That is for your pride, not for the child's pride. It doesn't matter.
Well,
Agreed?
I think everybody agrees there, right?
You are not doing your child a favor by forcing them beyond their capacity so that you can be proud to tell people, Mera bacha got 95%. But you're driving the kid, yes, study, do your best. But take part in every single activity from dramatics to sports, to elocution, to singing competitions, everything. This is the best time of your life, believe me. This is the best time of your life.
Thank you so much. This is a small token of
मेरा problem है मैं जब छोटा था ना when I was a baby why don't you all sit down no? Yeah, so sorry. I want to see the crowd. Sit down, not darling, sit down. I love big photographs. Photograph no, na Tuchar. No, yeah. I love. Where was I? Photograph. Thank you very much, everybody. I accept this with a lot of grace and honor. Thank you so much for having me. God bless you all. Thank you. Photo.
Ajay sir is welcoming Baban sir.
Darling, उधर आओ पीछे आओ.
You know, you will get
एक मिनट ले लो.
Ladies and gentlemen, he's a photographer, down to earth, completely in his mind and senses, and in full sync with his mind, soul, and heart. Ladies and gentlemen.
तो मैं हमेशा जहाँ पे मतलब मैं बुक लॉन्च पे जाते रहता हूँ, लेकिन ज़्यादातर मैं जहाँ भी आउट ऑफ स्टूडियो काम करता हूँ, वो काम नहीं मतलब अपीयरेंस करता हूँ, ज़्यादातर मुझे स्कूलों में बुलाया जाता है। शायद लोग समझते हैं कि मैंने 2-4 प्रिंसिपल का काम किया तो मैं पढ़ा लिखा इंसान हूँ, लेकिन वो हकीकत से बहुत दूर है ये बात। लेकिन मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है स्कूल जाने के लिए, बिकॉज वहाँ लोग हम समझते हैं कि हम जाते बच्चे खुश होते, पेरेंट्स खुश होते, लेकिन मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। स्टेज पे जब बच्चों को देखते हैं, इतनी एंथुजियाज्म से उन लोग स्टेज पे बैक स्टेज में रहते हैं, हम सोचते हैं कि जब हम प्रोफेशनल बन गए तो क्या ये एंथुजियाज्म इतना क्यों नहीं है, क्योंकि वी बिकम प्रोफेशनल्स, और वो प्रोफेशनल्स जो वर्ड है मेरे हिसाब से एक बैड वर्ड है। We have to stay like this. We have to maintain ourselves like children. Because जब हमने पहली फिल्म की थी तो मैं ऐसे ही था, एक बच्चे की तरह मैं एकदम एक्साइटेड रहता था, कैमरा रोल होगा मैं दिखाऊंगा, मैं मेहनत करूंगा। We seem to lose that. So every time I go to a school, I feel extremely proud that that innocence comes back to me, and that excitement to perform like a child comes back. I'm very, very proud. Thank you, Khalsa, for having me here. Truly, thank you so much.
Baman, you have played principal, dean in your films. How you connect as a principal, because it's a real life.
Okay, I do not quite connect. I always, but that's no offense to you, because simply because that's a character. That's somebody I played, which is a make-believe character. But it comes out of real life. It comes from observations of people like that. But my connection, unfortunately, I'll never be able to play a school child again. No. But my connection is with the children.
As a student, how cultural were you in your activities?
How?
As a student, how cultural you were into activities around schools?
I don't want to say this, and I hope that parents and children do not misunderstand what I'm saying, but I was less academically bent and more culturally bent and sportingly bent. So I would take part in as many sports as I could, in the dramatics, debates, elocution competitions, and maybe music competition. And that is the joy of school. Telling everybody and showing your mark sheet is no great excitement. Letting people know that you did a lot of things in school, that is excitement.
So as you know, the World Cup kicked off today. So do you have any message for the Indian cricket team?
Well, I tweeted a couple of times. I tweeted a couple of times about the World Cup, and I tweeted and said that Indians and Pakistanis believe that the World Cup has not started today, it's going to start tomorrow. Then I said, but that's not fair. But after seeing the first two matches, pretty dull affairs. Tomorrow is the official launch of the World Cup because of that great match between India and Pakistan. All I can say is, we've seen great encounters between India and Pakistan, and we thank you for the memories, Indians and Pakistani teams both. Do your best. One country will feel proud. If the other one loses, we'll still be proud.
But sir, last one.
Principal sir.
Just an event, and we are happy that Bhuvan Irani is with us, because children have performed equally well in co-curricular activities, and to get a present and a trophy from him is really just an appreciation for the kids, because when it comes from well-known personalities, and especially from Bollywood, it makes a lot of difference in their lives. We are having an organ donation. This is a message that we would like to give to the people, that organs should be donated so that somebody else's life could be saved.
Baman, you seem to be less romantic since it's a Valentine's night and you are at the college function. So what do you have to say?
Okay, I take real offense to what you have said right now. Real offense, okay? Which channel are you from? Okay. He asked me a question. You seem to be less romantic. Where do you get that? Where do you get
because
that
it's a Valentine's night and you are attending a college function. You have to be with your wife.
It's Valentine's night. What's the time? It's only 8:30. Do you know how long the night actually lasts?
Correct.
It lasts till morning.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
We'll welcome the sun.
सर बमन सर, बच्चे स्कूल जाते हैं, स्कूल के साथ त्योहार भी मनाते हैं. त्योहारों में होली आ रही है, तो होली आप कैसे मनाते हैं?
होली
त्योहार आ रहा है.
होली त्योहार हमारे 2-4 दोस्त हैं जो हमें बुलाते रहते हैं और जाते हैं, जैसे सब मनाते हैं. मैं ज़्यादा मतलब एक्साइट नहीं होता हूँ होली पे. मैं थोड़ा रंगों से मतलब आँखों में डालेंगे वो बलून्स जो फेंकते हैं, वो थोड़ा डेंजरस होता है मेरे हिसाब से. बट आई एंजॉय होली वेरी मच. बहुत
खास एक्सपीरियंस जो होली के दौरान रहा हो आपको आज तक?
आप एंजॉय करते हैं होली?
बिल्कुल. I think when I was in class 5, I was as into as these kids are, and I think kids are the best way to explain how love is to be spread among your peer group and what is concern, what is attachment, and I think that is what you should carry all your life.
कोई ऐसा खास एक्सपीरियंस अपने बचपन का हमारे साथ शेयर करना चाहेंगे जब आप स्कूल जाती थी?
हाँ, मैं बहुत नाटक करती थी बचपन में. मुझे स्कूल जाना बिल्कुल नहीं अच्छा लगता था. जाते में फेंट हो जाती थी. So like like I was very scared of studies and all, but I think you should study.
आज यहाँ आके कैसा लगा यहाँ आके?
बहुत अच्छा लगा. I thank Mr. Ajay Kaul. He has really put up a very good show, and all the best to him.
इंडिया वर्ल्ड कप खेल रही है, कल वर्ल्ड कप है का पहला मैच है इंडिया का पाकिस्तान के साथ, तो
Fingers crossed, and मुझे ऐसा लगता है India will rock and it will win.
आप इंजॉय करती हैं वर्ल्ड कप?
Definitely, I want to see Virat play. He really plays well, and best of luck to the whole team.
होली आ रही है, होली पे कैसे देशवासियों को शुभकामनाएं और कैसे आप मनाती हैं?
होली जब आएगी तब बताऊंगी. अभी नहीं.
चलिए,
Thanks.
थैंक यू.